Another news, the coordination of Nigeria's justice system, which encompasses prosecution and access to justice, has been allocated more than 150 billion naira for the 2026 fiscal year. Nigeria's Chief Law Officer Lateef FagbemI SAN explained that the amount also includes allocations for agencies like the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency and the National Human Rights Commission. National Assembly correspondent Lamiali reports.
The minister told the Senate Judiciary Committee that funding to the ministry has been increased by 9% for 2026 to enable implementation of law reforms and national policy on justice, as well as enhanced social justice and accountability. He, however, appealed for improved release of funds across sectors.
If all we have here matched timely releases of the figures, the amount, I think will be okay.
You don't need to know anybody before your allocation is released. The current system is plagued with so many difficulties, I don't want to say complexities.
The committee is particularly interested in how this increased allocation will impact on the activities within the ministry and how it will be deployed to address the ministry's key priorities, including the prosecution of economic and financial crimes.
At another sitting, the Joint Admissions and Matriculations Board informed the Committee on Tertiary Education that its internally generated revenue projection for 2026 is 23.8 billion naira. The committee asked JAMB to look at ways of improving services and commended it for transparency.
Since the professor came in, there is an improvement in the revenue generation and even remittance to the government.
So we are operating with about 1,000 centers nationwide. In 2025, we used less than 800. So this is just to create access to various candidates nationwide.
The management of the Southeast Development Commission was also engaged by its Senate Oversight Committee on the 2026 fiscal plan.
We must move this economy from political dependency to pure economic dependency.
It's extremely important to have an MOU with the community, the state government and SCDC.
The Commission's proposal for 2026 is 140 billion naira.